Well, welcome to Marymount High School. I'm David Colaw. Let me give you a quick look at my face since nobody's around. I want to show you where my classroom is, so follow me. The bell's ringing. Come on along. And this is where my classroom is. Well, hi. Welcome to AP Calculus. Most of you know me. We were together last year in the honors pre-calc. And so the nice thing is having them last year and working with your students again this year, we just kind of move right in. We just started up day one, although kind of a weird day one, but we started up first thing together. So I have great expectations that this will be a good year. Much of what we did last year will be the same. There's an expectation that they're going to come to class prepared, that if they have a question, talk to me, let me help you. Normally I like to have a lot of opportunity to do some group work together where they talk to each other a lot. That's kind of been put on hold a little bit this year. But this is an excellent course. I really love the AP content. There's such a richness to some of the problems and depth of understanding that comes with these classes. And I hope that they find that they get, they're in this class because they enjoy math, and so I hope they get some of the enthusiasm that I feel for the subject from that. Just a couple of quick things to kind of remind you. Most of the grade is pretty straightforward. Most of it's going to come from the tests and quizzes. If you remember, we do the board points. The board point idea was the way I kind of grade homework, where they will come and share the homework with the rest of the class. I want them to be able to verbalize what they're doing. The idea there is if you can explain it to someone else, you probably understand it a little bit better. I always say I learned more math my first year of teaching than I did in college, because I had to think about it to a deeper level to be able to explain it to a class. We have, of course, exams at the end of the semesters, and the first quarter, second quarter, and the exam then come out to give you a semester grade. The AP exam then is on May 4th, and it's a good test. Everybody should plan on taking it. Typically, students do really, really well. They come well prepared to me. I just try not to screw them up while I've got them. And they've been real successful in the past. So I have the utmost confidence that this group is ready to go and is going to do well. So if you have questions, by all means, let me know, send me an email, and let's touch base. I always think it's good when the kids know that we're in conversation. Sometimes I know the information that gets passed through the child doesn't always match up. So look forward to talking to you sometime, and hope all is well with you guys and your students this year.